Here's some mistakes that coaching CEOs make that I want you guys to avoid when it comes to offer creation. Number one is overthinking. Like we keep talking about, offer is just the first step. Just make sure it fits the elements and it's clear is all you need. Move on to the next thing, right? Your first version is never perfect. I'm on my 4th version of SGC now, and the offer and what we've done. We've changed it so many times, but every time we've made it better because we listen to the market and we optimize, right? Getting romantic with your offer. You guys need to detach, man. Too many people in the industry, they'll make an offer of like, this is what inspires me. You can create inspiration in anything you do. The offer shouldn't make you inspired. The business shouldn't make you inspired. You should make you inspired no matter what you do. And because you rely on the offer to make you feel good about it, and I want to really feel like I really love this, I'm passionate about this, you get limited and you fall into traps where you're trying to sell something no one wants to buy, and no one understands. And really it's just about you. Real leadership as a coaching CEO, right? As a high-ticket vendor, real leadership is making it about the other people, not about you. It doesn't matter what you're passionate about or what you like. Those things don't matter. What matters is what do people need, what are they struggling with, and what skills you have that you can easily fix it and charge a price for it. To detach from the offer, guys, like I promise you this right now, when you start to scale, you're gonna realize you can't attach to anything. Like things move quick. You have to learn a lot. You gotta learn how to be observant and not attached to things. So you gotta detach, right? Making up a who instead of picking a hot niche. We were making up a who. We're like, yeah, if it's kind of mothers, is this, it's all these people. You're like, I'm gonna help people like in this area. Or I'll see people that will come in and go, I work with leaders. But like, what does that mean? That's a made up niche. It's not a real niche. You want a real niche and a hot niche. Leaders in management, leaders in the soccer club, because leaders is subjective. We got to not be biased. We got to be objective. We got to give the obvious logical labels to things so that other people understand what we're saying, right? So stay away from those kind of things. And you want to pick a hot niche too. Like don't make up a niche for yourself and go, I'm going to do this. No, man, if you don't find out where the people you're looking to sell this thing to, you can find them, the real people, and you can actually talk to them, then the offer is not going to scale, right? So it's not viral. You got to know who you're helping, and you got to make sure it's a niche that's already buying these things. All right. Choosing a what you think they need and not what they want. They'll sit there and they'll go, Armin, they need mindset. Everybody, listen to me, everybody in any offer needs mindset. That's not the answer to the question of what you do, help them do that. You're not, like it's not. Even a mindset coach has to choose specifically what in life the client is dealing with that they can fix with the shift in mindset. You have to choose a real problem to solve and input the mindset in it. For example, for 3 years, I taught Think and Grow Rich with the president of Think and Grow Rich. He's like a father to me. I did seminars with him. And I also was doing my own life coaching programs, 3 years. The life coach was called the Reborn Experience. And when I try to come build how to get coaching, I'm like, I want to help all these people do mindset. I'm like, wait, but no one's buying mindset unless they're like buying books and YouTube videos. Like no one buys high ticket programs for mindset, at least not a big market of them. And the only people that do buy them, they're in very niche groups, like very high level groups that if I'm not in, I don't have access to them. So I got to build an offer that I know I can help someone solve a problem I can solve, and then I could do my mindset stuff with them. Hence why I built a business program. I was a breakthrough psychology coach before I was a marketing and business coach. It's funny because all my top paying clients that stay with me every year, year after year, they stay for the leadership. But you know why those people renew and stay with us? Not because we're now making them billionaires, but because now they're making all this money. In the process, they're like, I need to learn from leadership here. I want to see how you guys run teams, how you guys think. But if I had tried to sell them in the beginning on that, it would have never have came in, right? Someone else less qualified than me in leadership skills would have taken them as a client just because they have marketing. So I learned how to meet the market where they're at and what do they want? What are they asking for? Let me sell that to them because I'm good at it, right? And if you got to make sure you're good at the thing you're selling that they want. And then I'm like, then I'll give them what they need in the back end. So essentially in marketing, sell them what they want and give it to them. And then in the program, also give them what they need. Is that fair? That's what the what has to be about. And then getting your how mixed up with your program. Your program or your coaching is not the method. That's not how. You don't go, I help people make more money through coaching, through my program, through my coaching. That's not a method. You need to have an actual mechanism. Let's just say you go to an NLP certification school, right? It's a modality. No one says, I help coaches create client breakthroughs through my program. No, they say through NLP if they're selling an NLP certification program. So you need to have an actual mechanism you teach, an actual thing that you do with clients that is in your program. That's what they buy the program to learn how to do. It can't be, I buy the program from you or the offer from you to just get the offer. Like, that doesn't make any sense. So you need to have a process, a system, framework. We have viral organic marketing. It's a whole system. It's a whole module in our program where you break down the content strategy, how to run promotions, where to find traffic, how to do conversations. That's a system. We invented something and we call it viral organic marketing. I'm not helping coaching businesses scale their high ticket programs through my coaching or through SGC. I don't do that. I say through viral organic marketing. Now, when you go, oh, I got to do that. I need that system. Then I go, well, the program is where you learn. That's how you got to look at it. So love you so much, guys. We want to make the rest of your day the best of your day.